Light snow continuing to wind down as we go through the afternoon. Roadways should be decent in time for the evening commute, with temperatures hovering around above the freezing mark but in the 30s. We eventually will drop back quickly later tonight, but the breeze picking up this afternoon going to do its best to try to dry things out before temperatures head back below freezing. That eventually sets up a very cold day for us tomorrow. Gusty winds at times over 30 to 35 miles an hour, and temperatures themselves not out of the 20s. That means wind chills in the single digits and teens for the day tomorrow. And then you notice temperatures do start to work their way back. Should be at least a little bit milder heading into the weekend, either side of 30 Saturday with a lighter breeze and partial sunshine, and then mid-30s Sunday with a chance of some rain and snow showers. So we are watching this upper level system move east. Most of the more organized activity continuing to fade away through the afternoon. What will be left over will be up in the North Country with partial clearing elsewhere. Breeze picking up this afternoon. Will be gusty over 30 miles an hour overnight tonight, and gusts over 30 to 35 miles an hour on your Friday morning. From there, we'll see partial sunshine ahead of the system that will come through. It'll be a weak one on Saturday with some clouds and maybe a snow shower up north. The larger system with some passing rain and snow showers will be on Sunday afternoon, and there could be a spotty light coating to an inch or two up north out of that. Otherwise, we head into Monday with dry skies initially and another system approaching on Tuesday. So there are your gusts again, at times over 30 to 35 miles an hour during the daylight hours on Friday. It will lessen later in the day, and again, that will make things a lot more bearable going into the weekend itself. But here are your wind chills, which start this evening in the 20s and then drop into the single digits and teens to start the day on Friday. Going to be a cold day, a lot of single digits and teens for those feels-like readings going all the way into the day on Saturday, where things will start to recover with partial sunshine. 7-day forecast has temperatures warming back up heading into the beginning of next week with some shower activity later Monday.